Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Go Money. Before we go into the details, if you have not watched the introduction and money management videos, please do. It has the basic concept of wave theory and the indicators we use. The money management will give you an idea of how to manage the trade. The link is given in the description. In this video, we are going to look at weekly trade report. So this week, I think you guys all would have seen it's a very crazy week because of the war, and but the point is the market has recovered from the bottom, so that's pretty good, as the correction might have been ended possibly, or it can be a pump and dump kind of scenario where it may just pull up one more time and then it may have a bigger drop based on the situation in the following week. So we never know how the market can proceed, but we have to wait and watch. But yeah, that is the situation today, and let's see how our account situation is. So basically, compared to Nifty, our account has managed to have less loss, but pretty much at the same range. Nifty was down like close to 4%, and basically our account has pulled down close to 3%. This is definitely the worst week so far. So yeah, that is the situation as of today. So be thoughtful and don't pull in the triggers even to come out of a trade, or even to buy in. Carefully enter the trade with your risk analysis. So right now overall our account is pretty much close to break even. We are close to 1%, we can say, profit at this moment from the beginning of the year, and Nifty is close to minus 5% at this moment. So from that point of view, yes, we are kind of good. If you that's what we can say, as this is the crazy market, and this is how it's moving. But again, this is expected. We have also entered few trades early. We will go through the trades, and also the trades which got closed this week because of the pull down, and see how it performed. Moving on to the stocks under trade. So the first is Sun Pharma. So Sun Pharma, as expected, if you can see, even the market is crazy or whatever as expected. So this is an impulse followed by A wave, followed by a B wave, and as expected we got a C, and we are now expecting another wave up to reach our target. And maybe once we get a setup at this level, we might also try to have another entry for Sun Pharma. Moving on to ONGC. Yes, ONGC also had a pull down, but in a recent time it had a pull down followed by corrective move up, and then there's another wave down to complete this pattern, and this can be start of a next wave. So this is expected, but we have to wait and watch. Is this a completion, or is it going to have another correction and then one more down to complete this pattern before it goes up? So either can happen, as the retracement level is somewhere here, so that is a possibility. So we have to watch out. So we won't be entering any new trades, but we'll be continuously holding it, and if we see another downtrend, we might still be there in the trade, and we will enter one more if it goes up from there. Moving on to IRCTC, it had a S. I think if you have seen my previous videos, you might have remember why we have taken a longer stop loss. That is kind of an expectation that there can be a pull down to retest the previous low before it starts moving up, and basically it had a very good pull up after the market lowest point. Actually, if you can see, it even went 8% on Friday, so that is actually a pretty good move, and I'm expecting this to break out. Until this, we don't know yet if this is a starting point, because again, same thing. So this has done and moved down, so this can be a pattern here for further down before it starts. So this is still possible, so we are holding on to it. See, let's happen what happens on this stock, how it goes, and if we see there may be a downtrend, we might exit out and enter again at the lowest point possible. Wipro, again, it had a big drop, so but it was a pull up after completing this ABC wave. Now it's just consolidating here at the moment, so I'm not expecting it to drop, but we never know at this point. But this stock didn't go below our stop loss, so we are still in this trade, so expecting a move up. Let's see, depending on next week's progress, we will decide, or if it goes down, we might be out of the trade. We'll see what happens next week. So Eicher Motors, we are in second trade. Actually, last week or the week before, we took another trade. We are in two trades right now, but we have moved the stop loss level to, so that we reduce the overall loss, or we keep the overall loss under 5,000. So that is still there, and it didn't break, and we are still in the correction, and we are expecting this move up. Maybe not immediately, depending on the market. Let's see how it goes, but still overall the market is very jittery. Same Bajaj Finance, it is sideways, but expecting a move up, or possibly even a move down. We don't know, it is still sideways. There is a lot of possibility that this can even happen, but before it happens, maybe there is an impulse, and then it can come down to complete this wave. That is possible, or it can actually do this to complete its running flat. Let me draw it clearly. So basically, this is this, it is correcting. It can go down, then come up, then one more down, then maybe another impulse up. So this is possible. So in either case, yeah, it's all looking not good, but and this is at the break even point. We'll see how the next week progress. If it goes slightly up, we might move the stop loss, so that if it comes down, we at least don't lose our money. Titan, again, it's sideways. At least this is pretty much stable, not going down as it looks like. It is looking for a breakout. If we get a kind of breakout at this level, maybe it's maybe start continuing going up, but yeah, even for that we need to wait to see what happens. Reliance, yes, we entered in the trade based on this move up, and we are expecting it to go up, but it dropped immediately. But our stop loss is here, as we know that this whole thing can be a three-wave structure and then go up. So stop loss is pretty low, so we are in the trade, we are managing it. Let's see how next week progress. Coming to Nestle India, same thing. It is again going slowly sideways. Possibility is to retest the previous low, and or the retracement level at around 17,200, and then maybe it can start up. Hopefully it doesn't take out from stop loss. Let's see how it pans up. Let me also cover the trades which we have closed this week. I think we closed 3 trades. I think 4, right? BPCL first and followed by Axis and Hero Motor and Hindustan Unilever. Let's look at all the 4 also part of this trade report. So first let's look at BPCL. So BPCL, we closed little early because we know the market is not doing good and we expect this to even come down further. So we moved the stop loss at the previous low, and we don't want to really lose much money. So this was taken out slightly, not 5,000 rupees loss, but we got a better bargain on that. And then also I think Hindustan Unilever, where we did the same thing. No, I think this was taken with the stop loss fully, so this was gone. We lost 5,000 rupees here in this trade, and let me take this out. And also Hero Motor, this one actually, yeah, we thought it was sideways to go up, so we moved the stop loss here, so this was closed slightly better than expected. And then Axis Bank was actually in profit, and it was actually an impulsive move followed by correction, and then we were expecting this move up, but as market was jittery, we want to keep it at the previous low at 760 rupees, and it was taken out, but the market recovered back and it is at 760 rupees at this point, but it was taken way back. So we are not in this trade. Basically we will enter, but not now for sure. As we discuss, we always say we won't actually be impulsive in entering or exiting a trade, just cautious, and we want to wait for this consolidation. This is just a first impulse down. This will have a lot of correction and another impulse down to complete, like let's say this may even go up, maybe another correction before it goes up. So we have some more time for this trade to get entered, but yeah, but at this point we are out of this trade. So these are the trades which you have closed this week. So yep, overall kind of managing, yeah, but as you guys know, market is not looking that great. So yep, that's it from the trade analysis, trade report video. So I will analyze the other stocks in our weekly stock analysis. Thanks for watching. I will see you in our next video.